Hello everyone, this is me Humam, and today we're going to be learning about two present tenses and two types of verbs. So let's get started. The tenses we're going to be talking about today are the present simple and the present continuous. Well, you may know how to form them. Like present simple, we just need verb 1, and in present continuous we put the conjugated verb to be plus verb plus ing. So basic, right? But here's the question. When do we use them? Don't worry, because that's exactly what we're going to be focusing on in this lesson. Well, first of all, let's talk about the present simple. We use the present simple for actions that happen frequently, like present habits, or things that are true in the present time, like descriptions of someone, something, or any state. Examples: I study every day. This is a habit. The moon goes around the earth. This is a fact. I'm hungry. He's tall. She has two cars. So here we just have a description. We are describing something like feelings, appearance, or position. Now let's talk about the present continuous. We use the present continuous for actions in progress at the time of speaking, like things that are happening now. Example, he is eating, okay, and that means he is eating now, and the action is in progress. Great. The second part of this lesson is about verbs. As I said, we have two types of verbs. We have action verbs and non-action verbs, or we can say stative verbs. Well, first I'm going to tell you two sentences and you just try to tell me which one has an action verb and which one has a non-action verb or a stative verb. Are you ready? Okay, so the first one is I'm cooking pasta. I'm cooking pasta. The second one is I love pasta. So what do you think? In the first sentence, I'm cooking pasta, I'm doing something. Like maybe I'm boiling the water, adding salt, etc. So we have an action, therefore we have an action verb. While in the second sentence, we have I love pasta. Did I do anything? No, I'm just describing my feelings, okay? So nothing has changed. So we have a non-action verb or a stative verb, okay? So to sum up, active verbs are verbs that describe actions like cook, eat, drink, jump, run, swim, okay? Non-action verbs are verbs that describe states, okay? Like love, hate, seem, need, have, be. Now let's make it a bit harder and put it all together. Now in this sentence, he is happy. What tense is this sentence and what type of verb do we have? He is happy. The verb here is verb to be, which is a stative verb or non-action verb, and the tense here is present simple. Okay, so here we are using present simple to describe a state. Okay, another one. She plays basketball. She plays basketball. Okay, so the verb here is play, to play, which is an action verb, and the tense here is present simple as well. So here we're using present simple to talk about regular actions or habits. Okay, sentence number 3. They're watching a movie. They're watching a movie. Okay, the main verb here is watch, okay, which is an action verb, okay, and the tense here is present continuous. So here we're using present continuous to talk about continuous actions in progress. Okay, so here I have a question for you. Can we use a non-action verb in present continuous? To make it easier, can we use a non-action verb when we want to talk about actions which are continuous and in progress? The answer is no, we can't, even if we mean now. So For example, we say we need a car. Even if we need it now, we're still using the present simple. So actually, there are some exceptions for that, especially when the verb has another meaning, okay? So let's take this example. I'm having lunch now. I'm having lunch now, okay? So verb have here means to eat. So it becomes an action verb, okay? And so that we can use the present continuous, okay? That's it. Thank you very much and see you next time.